Hey y'all, so I'm about to get a ponytail. Today's my music video shoot. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the first time I've ever done a video shoot. So I don't know how to feel. Hopefully I can relax and actually like take advantage of me looking so cute, because I'm about to be so cute today. I'm about to get my hair done by the best. We're waiting for her now. I'm getting a sleek ponytail. It's gonna be long. It's gonna be cute. I cannot wait. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a wild day, for real. For real, stay tuned. Girl, damn near had her pull up. Yeah. Girl, this is so cute. I know your baby been having a good old time.
Wait, I'm dead.
It's you. I love it. Hey, girl, that water in my shirt. I'm dead. My water. I'm gonna drive around. Hey. This is so cute! No. At this point, I gotta give me one of these. Yeah,
Wait, that like looks fun.
Every day.
It's fun.
You can literally.
Yeah, I had gotten an
I
accident.
do remember that.
I ordered a car and it still hasn't came.
But
I ain't bought one yet.
I guess you just strategically drive.
Girl, no, I really do.
That works.
My client's gonna let me borrow their car.
Wherever you get it, girl.
Yeah.
I'll make sure. This looks like it's.
Okay, cool.
Looks like it's. Let me see if I can find a picture that she, or I don't know, people on her page. And somebody just text something about being transferred from Instagram.
This girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like costume. Here.
Goddamn lie. How does your baby like her locks?
Girl, we working on it. She like it.
Oh my god, she's so stinking cute. And she looks just like you.
Thank you. They lock fast. How is your baby?
I know she won and she is done. I am.
Wait, girl, so how is it being a mama?
It works for me perfectly because my mom takes care of her every day. So I'm able to literally get it still and make sure my baby is still good.
Yeah, you got that.
So
support system.
the support works. And then her dad, he does his part. So everything is just in place. And then his mom,
Girl,
you know.
come on now.
I'm trying to tell you.
I love to fucking hear it.
I'm so thankful because I cannot afford to not have support.
Hell no.
I can't afford it.
Look, that baby be wrapped up on your hip.
Girl, be everywhere. And you could do a video again, Jada, and you could tell people why you do that.
Yep.
And that's all the tea you get in.
Cause you know I'm finna lay this shit out.
I know. I already know.
That's so funny.
I just want it sitting on my shoulder. Every time
What?
last time I gave you a picture and you just
Girl, when I say I love this shit, I love it. I love being able to be like, oh, okay.
I knew it.
Oh, that's what you want. And then,
I don't think it's a big deal as long as her appointment's not today. Or is it today?
And that
Yeah.
will stay, and it's not crunchy whatsoever.
I forgot that I didn't use anything.
You have to spray it.
You have to spray
You
it.
cannot let it sit, especially with the humidity.
I wasn't thinking. Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Your hair looks so good, and it did fall. This
But
side,
the layers,
this side looks the process.
you just have to not burn.
yeah.
So boom, now you're only pulling up to do the ponytail. By the time you pull up, the girl is ready
So what's a good price to pay them? Pay somebody for a wash.
Just pay. Oh, I mean,
I fuck with real stuff. I do. I like that show. I like them, period. But even at Red Table Talk, they be talking about some real shit.
how's Willow doing? Look,
Sample everything.
Does my phone work now, Brittany?
I'm deleting these large attachments because your messages is what's taking up a lot of your space.
I can see that.
It's still a lot, but
Wide straight, you want to trim?
Sure. So like this, so you have this light. Girl, thought it was so cute. Girl, I used to wear my hair like this. Literally like that. Swear to God.
This shit gonna be like, ooh.
This is how I wear my hands. I swear to you.
Why would you be proud of this? Like, you would be proud of this shit. Like, yes, and then put a little scarf on, make you like stay a little.
Like I ain't even that. Oh, I'm not used to my hair being tight on the
You okay?
Yeah. I've been in wig braids for 3 months, so my hair is like, ugh. Here's a go.
I know, right? That's what this shit about. Connecting.
I love my hair. Oh, my hair. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to step tomorrow. I have a dress too. A cute dress. Let me know my blue stuff. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. It's cute. I love it.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yes.
This is giving. Girl, this is giving, baby.
Is that what you came for?
Is that what I wanted? I mean,
Is this what
God,
you came for?
is this what I wanted? Are we doing this with the song?
with your song.
Damn! You gotta see them edges in the sun. Hold on.
You better. You better. Hey, you better show
Wait,
them
turn.
the edges.
Right there.
Show
Put
them
that sun
the
on there.
edges. Just show them the edges. Show them the
Ow,
edges.
ow,
Show them the edges.
Come on.
Show them the edges.
Turn around.
Show them the edges.
Let's
Show
see
them
the
the
front.
edges.
Wind it
Bam.
up. Wind it up. Wind it
Bam.
up.
Bam. And bam. 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 Come low with me.
Come on.
Bam.
Get it.
Bam.
Get it.
Bam.
Get it.
Bam. 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 Save my knees for this evening now. I only got one chance. One chance to go that
Man,
low.
were you feeling good? Well, you just had the Jada experience. When you came, when you got what you came for.
Winnie!
Swing it for me.
And the lip gloss is cute too.
Period.
Flawless. Let me tell you, my girl Jada does not play. I don't play about my girl Jada. When I had my maternity shoot, I went to Jada. When I got my video shoot today, I went to Jada and my hair got done. I didn't get canceled on. That's how I do business. I don't have time for y'all to be canceling on me. The day that I pull up, I'm knocking on your door, you're canceling. Learn business etiquette. Being booked and busy is cute until you're not booked anymore, because now don't nobody want to come to you because you have terrible customer service. That's all I gotta say.